Everyone, welcome back to Yashraa, and in today's video we will be seeing how you can customize your chatbot's appearance using the visual settings. So under deployment you will find this visual setting menu. So once you click on that, the interface will be looking something like this for you. So here what you can do is you can just customize how your chatbot looks. So like you can customize the color, profiles. There are a lot of things that you can customize here. So every business have their primary color that they use in everything, like whether it's logo or some template. So here you can customize the chatbot's appearance according to your business needs. So first thing, let's explore this general settings. So in general settings you will find things like title, welcome message, suggestions. So we will be going through them one by one. So first thing is the title message. So title messages, the title will be acting as the bot name that will be appearing here on the top. So if you toggle it on, if you toggle the title on and you give some, if you give this chatbot a title, I'll give this mate. So it will be visible here as you can see. And if I toggle off it, then it will be vanished from here. So if you want your chatbot should have a title, then you can just toggle it on and it will be appearing here. Now second thing is the welcome message. So welcome message is whenever user is going to open that chat window, this message will be appearing there first. So it will be greeting the user. So if you want a welcome message for your user, you can toggle this button on, and you can also customize the welcome message hey, welcome back, something like that. So if you need a welcome message in your chatbot, then you can just customize it and toggle this welcome message on. It will be appearing like this as you can see here in the chatbot dummy. Next thing is the suggestions. So suggestions, how suggestions work is if user is having a chat with your chatbot, so you can just suggest few frequently asked questions, normally what users ask when they first interact with your chatbot. So you can toggle this on, and you can just separate your questions using comma, and whatever the frequently asked questions, what is Yashraa. Maybe people will be asking what is Yashraa, they want to know about Yashraa platform. So you can enter here what is Yashraa, or what is what services are provided in Yashraa. I mean, these are the most frequently asked questions, right? So you can just put them in suggestions like this. So enter the suggestion questions, and here as you can see all the suggestion questions are appearing here. So if the user already has this question in mind, they can just directly click it and ask the query to the chatbot. So this avoids it saves them from writing that question again, typing from the scratch. So that's how the suggestion thing works. Now next thing is the placeholder thing. So the placeholder thing is if you as you can see, you can see this text input area. If you want to add your custom message here, type your query or something like that, you can toggle this on, and you can customize your message whatever you would want in the text input area. You can enter something enter your query here, or enter your question here, enter your thoughts, something like that you can add here, and it will display here. So once all the things you have customized, you have to save the changes, and those changes will be reflected in your chatbot. So if we go to our overview section, see our the customization we have made are all reflected here. We have the title, we have this welcome message, we have these suggestion messages, all these things are here. Now next thing we need is, so next section is branding. So in branding section you will be playing with lot of colors. So if you want to customize the colors of your chatbot message or text color, then you can customize it from the branding section. So first thing you will see is the chatbot avatar. So the logo you're seeing here, you can customize that also. So you can pick any picture of your so you can pick any picture of your choice if you like. So you can change it to, so I'll be picking this picture for now. And next thing you can customize is the bot message background. So you can see the bot message here. You can customize the background of that bot message. So you can pick any color from here. So you can see the color is reflecting in the bot message background. So that's how you can customize it. Next thing is the bot message text color. If you want to change the color of this text, which is currently black, You can change it to white or something, like whichever is easy for a user to read. Next thing is the user message background. So this is the user's message, and if you want to change the background of that message, you can change it to any color. For now I'll be changing it to pink color. And user message text color you can also change, but for now I'll be keeping it white only. And you can also customize chat window background, like you can change the color of this whole chat window, and you can just pick any color of your choice. I'll choose the green color maybe. Yeah, so this is how our boat is looking after changing the chat window color, chat window background. Next thing is the title text color. So as you all know, like we had added our title and suggestions. Let's toggle it on. Let me add the title again, like boat, and suggestions. Let's add a simple suggestion question. Yeah, so this is done. Now we can change the color of our title. If I want to change the color of this title, then I will change it. Title text color, let's say I want to keep it purple, so I'll be keeping it purple. And I also want to change the text color of this suggestion message, so I can change it to orange or something. So yeah, this has been applied. The next thing is the start chat icon. So what is start chat icon? As you can see, has in this platform, you can see we have this floating icon here like WhatsApp, and this floating chat icon for the chatbot. So you can, like, if you ever embed your chatbot in your website or anyone's website, you can choose any picture of your own to be appearing on that website as a floating icon. So yeah, likewise you can change this also, like we changed our profile picture. The next thing is the start chat icon color. So it will change the background of that color. If I want to keep it blue, then it will be blue. Like that will this ring will be appearing around your chatbot's profile picture. And if you want to change the loading dots color, like whenever chatbot is loading its response, you want to change it, then you can change it from this loading dots color. Last thing is the send button color. You can see the send button. You can also customize the color of this. Again, let's keep it pink maybe. Yeah, so it has been reflected here. Save the changes. Now all the color changes have been applied. You can also see it on our overview page, and all the changes are applied. Now it's back to our visual setting. So next tab is the lead generation tab. So lead generation tab, we have already explained this feature and all these settings in a very detailed manner in our leads feature video. So do check out that video for detailed explanation. How can you use all these features and all these toggles, and what are these fields? So do make sure you watch that video. Now next thing is the notifications. So in this notifications, what is this sound for? So it is for whenever you embed your chatbot in your website, and as soon as your website loads, this floating icon will be appearing on your website. So to grab the user attention, as soon as this floating chat icon loads, it will play some sound to grab the user attention for any support, so that user will be looking could be finding something. So it will come to this chatbot, and they can ask question to the chatbot or interact with it. So if you want some custom sound that should be playing on your website, then you can upload it here. So yeah, that's it for the visual setting. Let's see you in the next video with the new feature.